Hey singers, welcome to a beautiful place called Snow Canyon State Park. This is a place that I love to go hiking in, and I've always wanted to do a warm-up video here. And so that's what we're going to do. So if you would like to join me, stay tuned. All right, our first warm-up is going to go the 1, 3, 5, 8, 7, 5, 4, 2, 1. So da 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 da. Those are our pitches. We're going to do it on a lip trill. Okay? So here we go.
1, 2, 3, go.
All right. I hope you enjoyed that warm-up. Check out this view. Isn't this fantastic? I love this. We're going to climb up this ledge while we sing another warm-up. This warm-up is another descending warm-up. It goes Z-I-E-I-E-I-E-I. You want to keep your jaw nice and open. Let that Z connect with your belly. All right, here we go as we ascend this mountain.
1, 2, 3, go. Z-I-E-I-E-I-E-I. 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 Z-I-E-I-E-I-E-I.
All right, I'm not sure I could have done any more of that as I'm a little winded now. Okay, we're going to do one more as we make this final ascent. We'll see if I can do it. Okay, this one goes Z-ah.
1, 2, 3, Z-ah, 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 Z-ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120 Z,
All right, well, there's our high C. I hope you're feeling as warm as I am. I'm going to take you up here to this little peak, and we're going to take a really nice view. All right. Welcome to a part of the petrified dunes in Snow Canyon. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Please subscribe if you haven't. And I look forward to making more videos for you.